Karva Chauth, an Indian festival filled with love, purity, and vibrant energy. You can just feel it in the air. The excitement of getting ready, adorning yourself, and celebrating that day for that special bond. And yeah, in this vlog today, I'll be showing you how I celebrated this day and the rituals I followed. Let's get started. And yeah, watch it till the end and do not forget to like and comment. And here we start our preparation day. It looks like a mess, but this is my well-planned setup. Makeup, jewelry, everything is ready in advance, and now I'm heading straight away for my mehndi, for my henna, and let's get started. And guys, here we start with day 1, that is the preparation day, and I'm off to get my mehndi done. First things first, people may call Karva Chauth as a show-off kind of festival, but honestly, what's wrong in getting ready and feeling good? This time my regular henna artist wasn't available, so I came to daddy's office and I knew few girls here, they know this art, so I asked one among them to help me out, and yeah, here I met someone, my grandpa, whom we recently lost, but yeah, it felt great coming here. Guys, here we finally start with my mehndi design. So I'm very particular when it comes to mehndi. And for your information, other than English trainer, I have been henna art trainer as well, and I have trained hundreds of girls out there. So this time this particular girl was really nervous when she came to know that she had to apply it on my hand. So yeah, she did a fair job, and after that it was a tea break, evening tea, that I enjoyed with daddy. Although I was getting super late, but how could I miss a tea break with daddy? So yeah, did that, and after that again we started, and I chose simple design for her and I guided her throughout. Meanwhile, people were working there and I was just watching everyone work and soaking in the vibe. Once home, I was really late, it was already night, and now I reached home. Once I reached home, I called the another girl for this nail setting. Couldn't miss even a single detail, to be honest, and by then I was super sleepy even though I hadn't done any work. But finally it was dinner time and I felt lazy. So today is the only day, guys, when you really get fed by someone else. So of course I made the most of it and I couldn't miss this opportunity of someone feeding me, of course him. We ordered some delicious chili paneer as I couldn't cook that day, and yeah, I paired it with some delicious, yummy and healthy vegetable soup. And yeah, I was eating as if I won't get food for next few years. I was just stuffing myself like that, and I enjoyed some bhel puri and other things. Now there are some days when you take undue advantage of your situation, and this is one such day. After that I asked my partner, I'm craving for something meetha, so he took me for having a meetha pan. Now came the best part of this festival. It's early morning, guys. It's 4 a.m. If not 4, maybe 4:30. And now it's Asur time. What is Asur? So basically we wake up early morning and we are offered some snacks by our mother-in-law, and I got some heavy sandwiches as per my demand, and I was totally sleepy, I was drowsy, and I was half awake, to be honest, and I kept eating. Guys, although people, what they do, they take shower, they get ready and eat, but I was not in that situation, so I just started stuffing myself like that, because now for the whole day I won't be able to have even a sip of water. So I had some dry fruits, some coconut water, and some heavy sandwiches. I know you all are laughing at me. How can she record herself even being half sleepy? But it's fine, that's how it goes. And now comes the D-Day. So I woke up and saw my henna not too dark, more of a reddish shade. But it's fine, that doesn't mean my partner doesn't love me. He does. I put on a simple outfit, just a red outfit. And guys, honestly, these are the days when you want to get ready willingly. That means there is no pressure, nothing. You wish to get ready intentionally. There is no force, nothing. It's like it's in the air, the vibe is in the air. Elders usually say women should just sit at home wearing all the ornaments as they are married, so they should look like that. But these days, many of us, including me, skip the ornaments and the efforts. We don't want to get ready, we don't like to get ready. But yeah, at least on these days, I feel it's something special that we should embrace. And on occasions like this, we love to get ready. And I at least love to get ready. And now, what happened since I got ready and I had so much of time on this particular day? So, when I was giving all these poses, to be very, very honest, the feeling that I got was, guys, you might have seen those wedding videos, 90s or we can say 80s wedding videos, the bride how they used to pose. I felt like that. And again, I'm back to basics. Basics means work. So I had few sessions to take, although I thought, okay, since I am fasting, I won't be able to have even water. It will be difficult, but somehow these are my energizers and I couldn't skip it. I didn't want to skip it actually, so I listened it, but I had some sessions and then I caught my partner watching my videos because this particular video I captured him. See, self-obsessed people. And now came another part. We got a new big TV at home. So when I asked him what's my gift for Karva Chauth, he showed me this big giant TV. Although it's not visible properly in the video, it looks small, but actually it is big. And he told, okay, this is your gift. And I became happy. And now came another time of the day. So guys, here, since I had a lot of time, okay, I thought, okay, some self-pampering is important. So I just visited Salon quickly and got my hair done. How fresh, how clean, how hygienic it feels. Guys, it's not about spending money. Some days it's necessary to feel good. And I am a believer, if we are working hard for something, we deserve all this treatment. And I believe like that. So I straight away head to such places where I can take care of myself. After all, who else is going to take care? Right? After I got my hair done, this particular dress caught my attention and I had to buy it. There's some shopping kida inside me, I think. And now, mandatory stuff, Karva Chauth stuff. So I bought this thing which is called Karva in Hindi and some sticks. I'll be telling you why is it important. Then I straight away reached home. Now guys, there is one thing, as I already mentioned, till the time I don't apply henna on my hands, I am not satisfied. And then I applied some and I was finally happy. Again, it was session time. I finished up quick and finally I got ready in the evening and this is our puja place. So guys, some people do Karva Chauth puja at home, some at priest place, but for us, it's a common spot where all the ladies of the society gather, almost 100 of us. We pass our thalis like this and do the aarti. Once that's done, guys, just look at my face. Oh my god, what? Some days I feel even in these serious situations also, I don't stop cracking jokes and come up with some humor. And here we are doing some aarti. Look at my face. It's clearly evident that I'm starving, I'm hungry, and now it's enough. But still, some jokes and everything to keep the mood and the environment lively. That's how I do. That is how I always behave. And here we are, all the beautiful ladies filled up with vibrant colors, beautiful attires, ready to pose. And that's the special sight of the day. What a beauty. And now I headed home. I spent almost an hour to get ready. So clicking pictures was mandatory. Although I was getting a lot of scoldings. But yeah, I thought, okay, if I have spent such a lot of time, why not click some pictures? And now, time to get my nails done. Yesterday, if you remember, I gave my sizing and now it was time for nails. And now we couldn't wait for the moon to arrive. And finally, I stepped to our terrace and I could see, wow, such a bright, beautiful moon. So without any delay, I started with this ritual, with this Karva Chauth puja. So what we do is, at first we get a glimpse of moon, and then our moon, our chand, that means our partner. And yeah, guys, to be honest, it's been years to our marriage, but still, the time when I look at him using that sieve, we feel shy. And now he offers the final, the most important thing. It felt like real amrit water. My god, whole tank inside me was dry, really dry. And now finally he gave me some sweets. I don't like sweets, but yeah, I was hungry, so I could eat anything. Now came the main part, taking Ashirwad. And if I won't take Ashirwad, how will I get gift? And now, without any delay, we headed straight to the venue. There was a Karva Chauth event, a Karva Chauth party, and we straight away headed there, where almost 50 couples met for a puja. And this is the place. Although we were super late, it started at 7 p.m., we reached at 10 because of the delay in puja, but that is the place where most of us gathered and we enjoyed it. There was delicious food, some live music, and whatnot. And here comes the most important part, again, pictures. So, guys, these are my Karva Chauth pictures. They arranged a beautiful deck, right, a selfie corner, right at the center of this giant pool, and I clicked so many pictures. I got myself clicked, and these are the few pictures I took with all my friends and family. And yeah, if I talk about my gift, I really got a wonderful gift, a piece of jewelry, precious jewelry from my mother-in-law, and I absolutely loved it. That was my Karva Chauth gift. And yeah, the day ended with a lot of bliss, beauty, love. And guys, if you have watched this vlog till the end, do not forget to comment down if you liked my look, if you liked the entire day. Do comment and tell me. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you love it and you will hit the like button. Thank you.